Good morning and Subhagat dear students. I am Mubila Sunwal. Today we are going to discuss an important plus interesting lesson which is related to your economics, that is globalization and Indian economy. First of all, we have to know about a brief history regarding the globalization. I know all of you know about the word global. What is the meaning of global? The meaning of global is the whole world. The chapter globalization is related to our new economic policy. New economic policy, short formly known as NEP 1991, which is announced by our former finance minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. And the another name of new economic policy is LPG policy. Now we have to know about what is LPG. So L means liberalization, P means privatization, and Z means globalization. So first of all, we have to know the meaning of liberalization, privatization, and globalization. So what is the meaning of liberalization? The meaning of liberalization is removal of trade barrier, the removal of tax and tariff. The removal of tax and quota is known as liberalization. And what is privatization? The privatization is the giving permission to the private sector or private company for producing goods and other services. Giving permission to private company or private sector for producing goods and services is known as privatization. And what is globalization? Turning whole world into one single market. The meaning of globalization is turning whole world into one market. Before going to detail in globalization, we have to enter in Indian market before 1991. Before 1991, in Indian market, we does not found the different types of varieties of product. For example, different types of food product, different varieties of car, different types of beauty product and other product. But after 1991, we have to found different types of product in Indian market. For example, in varieties of car we found nowadays in Indian market. For example, Toyota, Audi, BMW, Ferrari, etc. And we found different types of beauty product. For example, Oriflame, MOA company, etc. We found different type of food product. For example, Maggi, pizza, burger, noodles, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, etc. We also found Chinese toys in Indian market. That means, now I am going to say that we found varieties of product in Indian market which produced by the different countries of the world. Okay, I think now you get a little idea what is globalization. What is globalization? Globalization is a process of rapid integration between countries with the help of foreign trade, foreign technology, foreign investment made by MNCs. What is globalization? Globalization is a process of rapid integration between countries with the help of foreign trade, foreign technology, foreign investment made by MNCs. We also say that globalization is a process of turning whole world into a single market. We can also say that globalization is a process of expansion of market. In the definition of globalization, we found a word that is integration. What is the meaning of integration? The meaning of integration is interconnection between countries, the connection between the countries, interlinking between different countries. But how? Here is a question: how we integrate different countries of the world? There are some process. The first one is foreign trade. Foreign trade is the trade between or among the countries. That means export and import is known as foreign trade. For example, when we trade between India and Pakistan, India and China, India and Russia, USA, China and Pakistan, this is known as foreign trade. That means when we export and import from goods and service from one country to another country, it is known as foreign trade. The another is foreign technology. What is foreign technology? Technology used from other countries. When we use technology from other countries, it is known as foreign technology. For example, we use Ford Motor Technology. Ford is an American company. We use American Ford Motor Technology for producing Ford vehicle in India. We use Russian technology for producing missiles and rockets in India. We use Chinese technology for our Indian mobile phone. Okay. Now the another one is foreign investment. What is foreign investment? Investment made by other countries or MNCs in the form of FDI. When other country invests in our India by the help of MNCs is known as foreign investment. What is MNCs? Here we get a new word, that is MNCs. The full form of MNCs is multinational corporations. What is multinational corporation? What is multinational corporations? Multinational corporations are those corporations which have huge wealth, which invest in different parts of the world, in different countries. In India, there are lots of multinational corporations. For example, Rainbexy, Apollo, Nokia, Sony, Voda, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, etc. These multinational companies invest in India for profit. And one interesting fact of MNCs is that they have huge wealth. They have wealth more than a developing country budget. With those huge wealth, they control production in different parts of the world. Another important fact is that MNCs always set up their production units in those areas where they get cheap labor, available raw materials, water, electricity and other recreational facilities. So dear students, today we learn about the what is globalization and history of globalization. We learn about new economic policy. What is new economic policy? The new economic policy is the policy which is announced by our former finance minister Dr. Manmohan Singh in 1991. The short form of new economic policy is NEP. Another name of new economic policy is LPG policy. L means liberalization, P means privatization and G means globalization. And what is globalization? Globalization is a process of rapid integration between countries with the help of foreign trade, foreign investment, foreign technology by MNCs. What is foreign trade? Trade between or among the countries is known as foreign trade. What is foreign technology? Technology used from other countries is known as foreign technology. What is foreign investment? Investment made by other countries in the form of FDI is known as foreign investment. And what is MNCs? And the full form of MNCs is multinational corporation. And we know that MNCs always set up their factories in those areas where they get cheap labor, available raw materials, water, electricity and other recreational facilities. So, my dear student, today we learn about the introduction and history of globalization. In our next video, we learn about the interlinking ways by which MNCs set up their production and control production in different countries. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.